All of you are welcome in online class of English practice of class 3. I am your English teacher Binod Kumar Yadav. Today in the CW I will discuss about the use of they, them or it. Exercise of do it yourself, page number 15 and 16. As you know, they is used for the plural and them is used for the plural, but when the subject is used, when it is used as object in the objective case, and it is used for the singular countable noun, for the animal, for non-living things, for the little things, etc. Now I read the question and try to understand. Replace the underlined words with they, them or it and write the sentence again. Number A. Animals chew get cavities. Animals need to be treated for just as humans do. Here, in the first sentence, animals are used as a subject, plural subject form, and it is repeated in the second sentence in place of the naming words animals. Animals is plural noun, so in place of plural naming words we use they. So here in place of animals we use they. They need to be treated for them. Here cavities is used as an object. So in place of cavities we use them just as humans do. So the clear sentence will be like this. Animals to get cavities, they need to be treated for them just as humans do. In sentence number B, the most talkative parrot on record was an African grey parrot. The African grey parrot had learnt almost 1000 words. Here African grey parrot is naming word. and in place of the African grey parrot, we shall use it because it is an it is a bird, and for the name of the bird we use it. So the full sentence will be written as follows here. The most talkative parrot on record was an African grey parrot. It had learned almost 1000 words. Number C. A mosquito has 47 teeth. I wonder how many of these the mosquito uses when the mosquito bites. Mosquito is the name of an insect. Here the naming word is mosquito. So in place of mosquito, here we use it because it is an insect. It is the name of an insect. It is a naming word, and we use it in place of the naming word when it is used as an animal, bird, or little animals, little things, etc. So the sentence will be clear. A mosquito has 47 teeth. I wonder how many of these the mosquito uses when it bites. Number D. Zebras are not black with their white stripes. Zebras are actually white with black stripes. Here, zebras are the naming words. They are plural. In place of plural noun, in the second sentence we shall use they. Zebras, in place of zebras we shall use in the second sentence they. They are actually white with black strips. So the sentence will be clear. Zebras are not black with their white strips. They are actually white with black strips. Number E. Honeybees are among the most hard-working creatures. To make 1 pound of honey, the honeybees have to collect nectar from about 20 lakh flowers. Here honeybees are naming words, and in place of honeybees, in the second sentence, we shall use they. So the sentence will be clear as honeybees are among the most hard-working creatures. To make 1 pound of honey, they have to collect nectar from about 20 lakh flowers. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns replacing words. One day, a poor fisherman caught a magical fish. The fish requested him to leave it and promised to grant him one wish. The fisherman had two children. They had no shoes. So he asked the fish to give it two pairs of shoes for his children. The fish promised that when he returned home, he would find his children